technology in today. The 21st century Beetle, which is on the roads in Mumbai, or in India, or elsewhere in the world, actually carries technology of the future. So it's this area that we saw a perfect blend with the Tech Fashion Tour and ourselves of amalgamating technology and design to put products together. We believe that the ramp is too small for a car, but great to project an image of a car that blends these two things together. So keeping this in mind, we decided to associate. We're very proud to be associated with the Tech Fashion Tour, and we're looking forward to the 21st for this big gala event, which I'm sure will be very, very successful because it's got all the ingredients for a success. Thank you once again very much. Thank you.
So please, a big round of applause. He's the man with the money, so I need a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to pass the mic to Devita Saraf, who is also a friend and a founder and a CEO and brand ambassador of View Television. View Television, we all know, is actually a ketchup brand, which makes TV also. Okay.
It's about aesthetics, it's about science and senses. And we started actually our brand 10 years ago with the whole concept of luxury and technology. It was way ahead of its time. And I'm happy that these two worlds are coming together. And I'm super excited that we have a platform here with the exhibit. And I'm very excited myself to actually be on the ramp for the first time in the 21st. And it's going to be a great show. I think from exhibit you can always expect something exciting to happen, and we're happy.
So we will showcase this on 21st. And we believe there are a lot of synergies between technology as well as fashion. So people are talking about high performance drives, people are talking about reliability for the storage, right? And that's what Lassi brings on table. So I think we're really excited to partner with Ramesh and Exhibit and look forward to this long-term association.
Thank you, Samir.
All the best, Ramesh.
Thank you so much. Just to tell you this is the last sponsor. Please sponsors, guys, so I have to do this. So Mr. Ajay Kale from Dell.
Just want to say a quick thank you for being here. I think this is really an amazing event. In all honesty, I think technology is taking over our lives in every way. It's hard to even figure out how to get away from technology today. So I'm going to have a GPS.
Now, last but not the least, our designer from Hyderabad, Mr. Shravan Kumar. He's one name that you all will know very soon. He's been there, up there. He's designed some of the most beautiful women in the world. And also that he's doing something very, very interesting for our show, which I think Shravan is going to talk about it. So, Shravan, please.
Hi, good evening all. Where the whole world is talking about organic, sustainable clothing, I thought it's very nice and interesting to add technology to organic. So we work with a lot of handlooms from India. We only work with handlooms. So here, obviously, partnering with Tech Fashion Tour, we are really, really happy to introduce a iridescent luminous yarn into our khadis, so that you know how technologically khadi would be bright and beautiful. That's what we have thought, and we are trying to put in a lot of organic elements which has got its own iridescent light, where it captures a lot of sunlight and tries to radiate back into the darkness. So that's what we are working on, and we are very happy to be a part of the exhibit property. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shravan. But guys, we are just at the fag end of the show. Before I do that, I need to thank once again all my partners, right from Kamal, Devita, St. Regis, Samir, Mr. Ajay from Dell, and some people couldn't come. Actually, we have planned it such a way because we have 6 designers and 7 sponsors. This dial would have been very big. So we asked them who all are going out, and then we made a date where nobody's available. You know, that's how we played it. But New Band has also played a very big role. And other partners include Zoom, our media partner Zoom, ET Now, Red FM, and our style partner JCB, who has a very nice salon in the same hotel. Plus, this whole event is supported by INFD and Smile Foundation. So we also believe in charity. We're not making much money in this, we're giving to charity. So Divya is going to speak up. I'm going to ask Divya to unveil the invitation card and also she's going to speak something about the Tech Fashion Tour and the Smile Foundation. Yeah, so let me give it to Divya.
Hi everyone, I'm really looking forward to the Tech Fashion Tour on the 21st of September, which Exhibit and Rameshji are bringing together the best in gadgets and the wonderful creations by some of the top designers. And I think it's an amazing initiative, and especially because they are supporting Smile behind it. I'm here on behalf of Smile. I'm the brand ambassador, and Smile works for the girl child. And it's very honoring for Tech Fashion Tour to support this cause and bring together gadgets, the technology and fashion under one roof.
I think she said very good. And now I'd like to invite Divya to please come and unveil the invitation card along. Technology. In short, it's actually the fact. A fabric is fabric, and you can't do without a smartphone. You can't do without your earphones. You can't do without so many things. All designers use so much of tech in their shaping of the garment. In fact, the tech is inside the garment. And if you ask any designer, they use AutoCAD. They use so much of tech in shaping up the garment that it's completely infused and in love with each other.
Divya, about your outfit, you look like a beautiful ladybird meter.
Yeah,
So,
Beetle.
so who has designed this outfit?
This is by Rajat Tangvi, and yeah, he's on board.
But he couldn't come make it.
Yeah,
We had planned it like that.
yes, so they wanted me to wear this outfit. yeah.
And fashion show के टाइम पे कौन सा आउटफिट में दिखा देने वाले हैं? कुछ अगर टायर
I don't think abhi tak it's planned.
And what are you expecting out of the whole event? How it's supposed to be? What do you expect?
I think really informative, and since they're bringing both technology and fashion together, and of course they're gonna tell us what's new in technology and what we can look forward to, and what can help us more. And it's like a growing thing every day. We need to keep updating ourselves, and so is fashion. Fashion is growing so fast in India, and Indian designers have almost like they've become very they're competing today with international designers, and it's always fabulous to wear them and adorn their creations. And and technology wise, India is growing as a country, and we are
We are the man behind all Google and Facebook.
Since all the money you generate will be donated to the Smile Foundation, so how are
I
you
think he can.
how much
Yeah.
are you expecting how much the raise the money?
No, so what we mean is basically that we support Smile Foundation, whatever it's doing to do the Miss India cause and etc. And whatever we can do, because it's a very highly publicized event. So we just want to be a vehicle to spread that communication across to all quarters. That's the message going out to everybody.
रमेश जी रोटी कपड़ा मकान दिव्या जी के अलावा और कौन कौन से सेलिब्रिटी हमें दिखाई देने वाले 21st
आपको आना पड़ेगा. We don't want to disclose that, but we have some big names coming on board, and we have some very big names coming on board. I can't confirm that right now because I don't want to let that excitement go away. But we have some big names coming on board for the fashion show.
So even Abhay Deol was supposed to attend this event.
Yeah, Abhay had some last minute thing, how it is. But he's definitely coming for the event. He's also coming for the event. And we're also doing something in Australia where he will be going with us. So yeah, I mean, there are many more people also. Of course, Divya LPG will also be there. So
दिव्या जी अभी कल ही मैं कहीं सोशल मीडिया पर पढ़ रहा था कि आप हमेशा एक्टिव रहती हैं, बहुत ही फिट रहती थी, ब्यूटीफुल रहती थी, ये सारी चीज़ें. और हम इस कहीं आप इस तरह के काम में हमें दिखाई भी देती है, इतने सारा काम.
Very difficult.
दिव्या जी कैसे करती हैं?
I think मैं भारतीय नारी और मेरे अंदर सुपर पावर्स है. Yes, it's time for women to get this question, and I think बहुत अच्छा है because एक मेल मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं कि एक नारी होकर एक वुमेन होकर आप इतनी चीज़ें कैसे हैंडल करती है. So I think girls and women in India are on that mode right now, power mode, that we have to rise forward, we have to achieve great heights, we have to be an inspiration, and we have to have our values, Indian values intact. So I think that's the beauty of our culture. And देखिए नारी की उभरती हुई नारी की शक्ति इंडिया में और आगे बढ़ती जा रही है. So it's just setting an example, not just me, but so many women today. Yes, in Olympic as well.
भी देखा हमने exactly.
Okay, Divya, how are you celebrating Ganesh Festival?
हमारे ऑफिस में टी सीरीज़ में वी हैव गणपति जी हमने स्थापित किए. सो दैट्स हाउ वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग इट विद आवर स्टाफ, अ फैमिली लाइक स्टाफ.
Any special wish to your viewers, to your fans regarding Ganesh Festival?
Just watch the show. Both Ganesh and this.
So it's very good because आज टेक फैशन टूर की हम अनाउंसमेंट कर रहे हैं on the 21st of September और by Exhibit Magazine, and we are doing it in the Ganpati festival. So that's
very auspicious.
It's very auspicious because सब काम गणपति जी की पूजा से start करने चाहिए. So I think it's a very auspicious thing. So that's what.
So that's the connect of Bharti Nari here,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.